Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Steve Chase with Steve Chase Productions, and I wanted to create a video this morning to share with you something about how to find your way to starting your online business. And one of the first things that most people try to do is find a domain name. But it's like it could be one of those decisions that you could take months to figure out. And sometimes it's one of those things where it's analysis and paralysis where you just can't even pull the trigger on it. So I want to share with you some of the tools that I've used over the years to quickly find a domain that I can live with, or find the perfect domain if you happen to just type in the right things and maybe find something that you didn't think existed. I'm going to share with you three tools that I use. One of them you may or may not have heard of is leandomainsearch.com, which is a great thing because it allows you to use a keyword and then build domain names that are available around that. So we're going to go in here. Actually, let's just go, let's just go keto diet. And we'll put that in. And what it will do is it will bring domain names and it'll add words to it to make up domain names that are available. So there's 4,582 available.com domains containing keto diet. So it allows you to choose a word that will be included in your domain name, which could be your niche, your keyword, whatever. And then here you can actually change the sort results based on popularity, length, or alphabetical. So if you wanted to start them all A to Z, you could do that. A length, it'll do shortest to longest, and then popularity, it's based on whatever algorithm they use. The other thing I like though here is the search term filter, whether or not you want to put your keyword at the front or back. So this will randomly do it. If you want all at the beginning, you hit start. So everyone here will be starting with keto diet, or ends if you want to do something like that. So if you were going to do, like everybody likes the automatic, domain-o-matic. So say you just put matic as the word, and then what you can do is select ends with the term and say length. So HD-matic, DB-matic, USA-matic. Popularity usually brings you some of the better results that make more sense. R-matic, VIP-matic, perfect-matic, golden-matic. So you get your idea. You go to Lean Domain Search, you put your keyword in here. Say you do vegan, business vegan, site vegan, money vegan. And again, you change this from popularity. You could go to length, so then the shortest to longest. Or what I usually like doing is deciding whether or not I want to start or end with my keyword, and then choose popularity. Usually gives you the best results. So start vegan interactive. There you go. Vegan forum, vegan cis. That's a great way. And all these are available. As you do the search here, any of these are available. You can either click through and they use probably an affiliate link to whoever they use for their registrar, or you can just go to your favorite. I like Namecheap. I've been using them for years, and they're pretty good. Another site is called Impossibility. It's impossibility.org. And this one's sort of fun. Again, you can add words and you can choose the length of the word and what type of word. You can add it to the beginning or ending of a word. So say we do keto diet. We want to add 4-letter adjectives to the beginning of my word keto diet. I hit search. And right there, these are unregistered domains, which means they're available. So here, there you go. Cyan keto diet, spec keto diet, wet keto diet, even keto diet, born keto. All these are available. And if you don't like any of these, get more. You click that, it'll give you some more. They're not always the best in the world, and then you can change it about. So say you wanted to put keto diet and put it at the end, and you wanted a 4-letter noun, and then you search, and now you have, there you go, keto diet goal. That's available right now. So keto diet doom, depending on how you want to spin the keto diet doll, keto diet hum. Again, you could change these. So if you went to verbs, now you hit search. Now it's keto diet pace, keto diet find. Again, you don't like any of these. If there's more, click on get more. You do that. And then you can even do mixed, which is anything to keto diet. You just decide if you want to do it beginning or end. And let's hit search. So keto diet rather, keto diet quid, keto diet somewhere, keto diet dollar. So And that's a great way to do it, impossibility.org. And then the other thing, my friend Gene Pimentel is very big in domaining. He's got his own little group that he finds domains, and one of the sites he uses, and many people in domaining use, is expireddomains.net. Now, these are domains that somebody used to own and now no longer own. They let it expire, and these pop up here because every day there's a list of expired domains are published and then are made available to the domaining public. And the quickest way for me that I usually do is I look for .coms. So you can get a free account. Lean Domain Search and Possibility are free. You don't have to sign up. Expireddomains.net, you have to sign up for a free account. So you're going to have to give up an email. And it's actually sort of complicated. But if you come in expired domains, let's just go to deleted.coms. We're going to look at all the deleted.coms. And what you see here is it shows you domains, gives you a lot of information. It tells you when it was dropped, and here's a bunch of names. But you can come in here and do into a filter. And let me just put a couple of things. So we're going to have 200 per page. Let's just say only available, because if I find something good, I want to make sure I can get it. We're going to choose only characters because I don't want numbers or hyphens. And let's say you can also choose what words you want here. So your domain name whitelist. Let's just go with keto diet. So you can choose, you can put the keto diet in starts with, so it'll only find domains that start with keto diet, and whatever contains means keto diet somewhere in the word, and ends with obviously means that it ends with keto diet. Let's just for fun say keto diet. We'll put that in as our keyword. And there's all sorts of filters in here. You could spend, a half hour looking at every possibility here. But for now, we're just going to do this. We'll hit apply. And, oops, did I not hit apply? It is applying. Okay. It's going to look. Sometimes it takes longer if you go in. Oh, here we go. So these domains are available as of now. You can see, I'll tell you if it's available or not. AllaboutKetoDiet.com, GreatKetoDiet.com, KetoDietIdea.com, Keto Diet Best, Suno Diet, Keto Diet, Keto Diet Stone, Keto Diet Tone, free Keto Diet recipes, the Keto Diet Plan, Keto Diet Hero. Here you go. These are all available to be registered today if Keto Diet is what's in your business plan and you're looking for a domain. So this is a great thing. And then once you look here, you can see available. Now you can sort stuff by the different things. So like length, if you want to look at the shortest possible domain, you can sort these by length. Now, of course, this is one page, so it doesn't really matter. But if you had a lot of times I do, let me go back here for a second. Let's go back to filter. Since I live near the Chicago area, a lot of times if I'm looking for local domains, I'll put in Chicago and then see what has dropped with Chicago as the starting word. So let's do that, apply filter. And then you've got all these Chicagos. And then what I usually do is I sort by, you can click on the top columns and it'll sort. So I can see what's dropped, and these are all available. Chicago Mobile Details, Chicago Loop Chauffeur, Chicago Menu Covers, Traders Exchange, Chicago NBA, South Shore. Oh, Sout. I forgot the H. That was a little misspelling. Chicago NFL, Chicago City Cars, Chicago Web Design Experts. That could be a decent one. So you can see how this could become somewhat addictive, and you can spend a lot of time doing this. But you could find some good stuff. I actually found, we live near a town called Naperville. It's a big town. It's one of the top 10 towns in the country whenever they talk about places to live and all that stuff. And my wife and I own a party rental business, and I actually one day was searching and I found NapervillePartyRentals.com and we swiped that up. And I don't know where that came from and who dropped it, but now we own it. And so a lot of times you can come in here, it's like panning for gold, but also if you have an idea, you can find. Now, of course, this is only domains that somebody has actually owned and let drop, whereas Lean Domain Search and Impossibility, a lot of these probably are domains that no one's ever registered. So there you go. Just a quick little thing to show you 3 different ways that you can go and find domain names. And the reason I mention this is because Liz Tomey is doing a 5-day workshop on getting your business online. And one of the things that's part of it is finding a domain name for your business, finding a website. So I'm going to drop the link somewhere in the description of this video or on the page that this video is here. Go check it out. And if you purchase it, I have a bonus of a report that's called 6 Easy Image Income Methods, where you can basically use free images from the internet and find ways of making money with that. That's another little bonus there. So Check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a domain name, hopefully here's some more tools for you to use to get what you need. So this is Steve Chase with SteveChaseProductions.com. You have a wonderful day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.